Don't break the chain. These 4 simple words helped Jerry Seinfeld to become one of the best comedians in the world. During his struggle time, Seinfeld's mantra pushed him to write new jokes every single day, and the mantra was, using a wall calendar, he drew crosses every single day the day he used to write a new joke. Once that crosses started forming a chain, his motivation grew. And it grew in such a way that he had a hit television show, and this is one of the best examples to tell you that how success does not only depend on extraordinary motivation. We can accomplish great work even when we just don't feel it. The more we avoid something, the higher our anxiety is, and so we put it off further. To stop this procrastination cycle, we need to first identify the reason why we are avoiding a task. Psychology have defined 2 theories: prevention focus and promotion focus. A prevention focus is when we avoid doing something to prevent a loss. For example, you have to create a presentation, but you're afraid it won't be engaging, worrying about embarrassing yourself in front of your colleagues. So you postpone getting started on the presentation. A promotion focus is when we see our task on a way to end up better off than we are now, like training a marathon, but can't get motivation to get started. For example, the running club you join, which starts at 6 o'clock early morning, but you don't have motivation to get up at 6 o'clock and go for a run or a jog, and your alarm rings and it snoozes on. It's one of the best example to tell you about promotion focus. Emotion play a key role in both promotion focus or a prevention focus. Similarly, if you think something is boring or unpleasant, you need to take the feeling out of the equation and decide exactly when and where are you going to do it. For example, every day at 7 o'clock, you should be at gym. No emotion. There is no lying in bed or giving thousands excuses to no to gym. You should be no emotion. Just do it. Warren Buffett grew its net worth by 1,257%. From 44 to 56 years of age, he grew his net worth by 7,268%. Slowly but surely, he started building up a chain of investment and never stopped. If we start with a small action, putting on your running sneakers or finishing the presentation introduction, chances are we will find it easier to continue. This is where routine comes in handy. For example, you want to start a new blog post but cannot muster the motivation to get started. Commit to completing just 1 paragraph each day until it's done. Along with the process, have some break, practice a couple of minute mindfulness of breathing, meditation, and then get start again. Some of the most successful people believes in rituals, and the one example is Tony Robbins. Every morning, Robin primes his mind before he starts his day. In just 10 minutes, he performed 30 sets of Kapalbhati Pranayam, express gratitude, pray for help, and strength throughout the day.
This is about priming yourself. It's about putting yourself in a state where your mind and body will respond accordingly. 2 worlds to master, the external world and the internal world. They both have to be mastered, but if you master the external world, a la, Robin Williams, but you don't master the internal world, there's a big price. This is the one to master first, and so I start my day by making that, so I have this base to do it. I'm gonna live from gratitude today. I'm gonna live from blessing, I'm gonna be a blessing in people's life today. I'm gonna get stronger today, and I'm gonna achieve what I'm here committed to do. And the whole thing, we did that one in a little less than 10 minutes.
Whatever you choose, ritual will definitely help you to reduce the chance to skip any task. Sometimes these rituals help us to improve our capability. Motivation is not the fire that starts your engine. Many times, motivation comes after we start working towards a goal. The trick lies getting started ourselves to take the first step. But by figuring out what's stopping us and then creating schedules and rituals, and in turns, the fire grows. So decide what you want to accomplish. Commit to routine and remember Seinfeld's formula, don't break the chain. Hey guys, if you liked my video, please like, share and comment, and please do subscribe for more interesting facts.